The GIPT alumni page is there. GIPT AP alumni in Facebook. So a few days back, one of the guys who is studying in our college right now, he messaged me which subject I have to take to get more salary in printing technology. Then I replied, leadership. Then again he asked me, in which semester it is coming? It's really, the chat was still there. I was surprised. So, to bring that awareness in all the freshers who are working in Dubai, that incident shows where we are lacking, where we are unable to grow in our field. So leadership is not a subject, it's a quality which we have to earn with our experiences and around the circumstances and all. The simple example I'll tell you, so for your experience. When I came to Dubai, me and my classmate Farid, he's from Old City, Ahmednagar. We came together in the same flight. He don't know Telugu, I don't know Hindi. We never speak each other in college. We just met, we got the job in same company. He's pure Hyderabadi from Ahmednagar. So he don't even speak one Telugu word. I don't know even one Hindi word. Aap aur tum ka difference bhi malum nahi hai. Then we came and we landed here. So finally we talked each other with some expressions and all. So finally we came here. So there is another couple in the same company from same our batch. He is Irfan and Apara. They don't know each other. One person don't know Telugu, one person don't know Hindi. So there is another combination already there. So once we joined in the company, the manager is Hyderabadi. So he told, you join with Irfan, learn Hindi. You join with Apara, you learn Telugu. So within 6 months, I learned Hindi and he learned Telugu. And now we speak very good Telugu. He was not here today. Actually, I invited him. Then they used to pay 1,500 dirham salary for everyone and for each person. And my assistant salary was 900 dirham. It took 6 months to learn that machine, to run the machine my own. And it took another 6 months to teach the machine to my assistant. So within 1 year that machine is closed. Nothing to do with that. I learned all the things. This is an experiment for the leadership. How smart you can play in your organization and all. Then simply I went to my manager. And the supervisor salary is 2,500. I told him, I'll do the same supervisor job for 1,500 salary. And already I make one person to run the machine at 900 salary. So I'm saving almost 2,000 dirham per month for your production. So he really surprised. Because normally our problem is, we scare, if you teach to someone, maybe you will lose your job. That's not the right perception. If you want to grow in your field, don't pull your leg off your superior. Please give a hand to your subordinate. Automatically, you will become a supervisor or manager, whatever it is. So believe in the system, teach the people, allow them to grow, automatically you will grow in your industry. So this is an example of the leadership. Take the responsibility in your organization. Don't think that if I take a decision, maybe my manager will scold. No. Maybe one time he scolded, maybe that time it's a wrong decision. Every time don't think that, okay, last time he scolded me, I don't want to take a decision. No. When you're traveling the bus, you met an accident, but you survived. Next time you will not stop traveling by bus. You have to use the bus. Our career also same. Make the decision, take the decisions, take the responsibilities, grow as a leaders. To say this, I already prepared. Once I received that message, we decided to keep this alumni meet. Especially for the freshers, you must understand what is the technology in the industry. So use your expertise, experience and expose you more, and please grow in your field. There is an opportunity for everyone in this world. We also came like operators. We also work for 1,500 dirham salary, but we never stop there.